Hello dear students, in this video we are going to study about shortcut method of converting a recurring decimal into a fraction. Okay, it means in class 9th in chapter number system we have a study about to change non-repeating recurring decimal into fraction. Okay, we have two process to convert this recurring decimal into fraction. First, by process by assuming of x. That process is some difficult, and we have also shortcut method. By this method we can easily convert recurring decimal into fraction. Okay, now let's see how these things happen. Here we have 0.6. Okay, and 6 bar, it's indicate that 6 is repeating in this question. Okay, we want to write down this number in form of fraction. Then how will we write down this? For this we have to apply shortcut method. Okay, not by process. In this we have a shortcut method. First we have to write total digit. It means those digits which is in form of whole or which is in form of decimal. Okay, then we have to write minus number of digit which is recurring. Then we have to write by number of 9 which equal to number of recurring digit, and then it's flow by number of 0 which is not recurring digit. Okay, but here we have only one digit after decimal and it is recurring. For this we have to write 6. Okay, minus number of non-recurring this digit. Here is no any digit is non-recurring, so we have to write minus 0. Okay, now by number of 9 equal to number of digit which is recurring. Here only one digit is recurring, so we have to write down only 9. So finally it becomes 6 by 9. Okay, if you want to simplify it, then after simplify we have 2 by 3. Okay, it's our answer. It's a very simple process. By this process we can easily convert any recurring decimal into fraction. Here we have 1.27 and 27 is repeating in this number, and we want to write down this number in fraction. Then which process we can write down this? By this we have to apply shortcut method. For this here is 1.27. First thing is we have to write total digit which is given in question, that is whole or non-recurring, recurring. Here we have 1 to 7, so we have to write 1 to 7. Okay, now minus number of those digit which is recurring. Here which digit is recurring, non-recurring. Here which digit is non-recurring. Here we have only 1, it's non-recurring, so we have to subtract this 1. Now by number of 9, it's equal to number of digits which is recurring. How many digit is recurring in this question? 2 digit, 2 and 7, only 2 digit is recurring, so we have to write 9. Okay, it's also to flow by number of digit which is non-recurring after decimal. Here we have also no any digit which is non-recurring after decimal, so we have to write same 9. After subtracting it we find out 1 to 6 by 99, and this is our answer. Okay, after simplify we find out it's a simplest form. Now in next question, here is 0.009. Okay, here 3 digit is repeating, so we have to write total digit. Total digit here is only 1001, so we find only 1, minus number of non-recurring digit. Here is no any non-recurring digit, so we have to write only 1, by number of 9 which equal to number of recurring digit. Here is number of recurring digit 3, 0, 0 and 1. So we have to write 9, 9, 9. Okay, and its answer 1 by 999. Okay. Now in question number 4, here we have 23.42 and 42 is repeating. Okay, so we want to write down this in a form of fraction. Then we have 2, 3, 4, 2. So we have to write down 2, 3, 4 and 2. Okay, then minus non-recurring digit. Here non-recurring digit 2 and 3. So we have to subtract 23 from this number. Then by number of 9 equal to recurring digit. How many digits is recurring here? 2 digits is recurring. 1 and 1, 2. Okay, it means 4 and 2. So we have to write down 99. Okay, it means double line. After subtracting it, we find out it's 12, 3, 9 and it's become 3, 2. So it's 1, 3, 2 by 99. Okay, and it's our answer. It's a very simple. Now here is also some example. Here is question given 0.235 and each example is a mixed recurring digit. In this we find out 2 is not a repeat. After decimal 2, 3 and 5 is repeating. So for this, how we solve it? For this we have 2, 3, 5. Then first step we have to write total number, total digit. So we have to write here 2, 3, 5. Okay. Then minus non-recurring digit. Here 2 is non-recurring, so we have to subtract 2 by number of 9, which is equal to non-recurring digit. So we have to write down double. It means 2 digits is non-recurring, 299, and also it's followed by 0, which is non-recurring after 0. After decimal, so only 1 digit is present here after decimal, which is non-recurring, so we have to write here 0. Now our answer is 233 by 990 is our answer. Okay, in this question we have 1, 2, 3 after decimal and only 3 is repeating. Here 1 and 2 is not repeating. So if you want to write this number in a fraction, so we have to write 1, 2, 3. Okay, minus number of digits which is not recurring. Here 1 and 2 is not recurring, so we have to subtract 1 and 2. Then by number of 9 which equal to recurring digit. Here is 3 is recurring, so we have to only single 9. Okay, 1. Why? Because here 1 digit is recurring, and here also 2 digit after decimal is present, which is non-recurring. So we have to also write 0 followed by number of non-recurring digit. Here we have 2 digit which is non-recurring, so we have to write 20. After subtracting it, we have 3, 2, 1, 1 and 1. 111 by 900. Okay. Now in this question example number 7, here we have 2.432. Okay, and we want to write this number in a form of fraction, so we have to write this all number 2432. Okay, now minus those digit which is non-recurring, which is whole or after decimal. Here we have 2 and 4 which is non-recurring, so we have to write down 2, 4, it is 24 by number of 9 which is equal to number of recurring digit. Here 3 and 2 is recurring, so we have 2 digits, so we have to write 9, 9, double 9. Then we have 4 which is non-recurring after decimal, so we have to write 0. Okay, in place of this 4, so we have to 0. Now this after subtracting we have 12, 4, 8 and this 2, 2, 0 and 4, 2 by 990. Okay, I hope that you understand how do we write down any recurring decimal in form of fraction by applying of this shortcut method. Okay, now if you want to write this number in by process, then how do we write down by process? To my ear, one example, suppose that 0.6, and if we want to write down this number by process in fraction, then first of all we have to assume let x is equal to 0.66 dot dot. Okay, then next step we have to consider how many digits is recurring after decimal. Okay, so here we find out only one digit is recurring, so we have to multiply it by 10. If 2 digit is recurring, then we have to multiply by 100. If we have 3 digit recurring, then we have to multiply it by 1000. Okay, so here we have only one digit is recurring, so we have to multiply this by 10. Okay, so this is supported this equation number 1. So we have to write multiply equation first by 10. Okay, then we have 10x, and after multiplying it we find out 6.66 dot dot. It's equation number 2. Okay, then next we have equation number 2 and equation number 2, 1 and 2 equation. Then we can solve it by apply of algebra. Okay, so we have 2 equations. Now we want to subtract equation first from equation second. We have to subtract equation first from equation second. Then we have 10x is equal to 6.666 dot dot. Then second equation 1 is x and 0.666 dot dot. After subtracting it, we find out this equal to 9x and this only 6. Why? Because after decimal 666 it's a cancel. Okay, now here we have 9x is equal to 6, therefore x is equal to 6 by 9. Okay, after cancelling it we find out 2 by 3. So it's a time taken. It's a not difficult, but it's a time taken. In this way we can also find out fraction of recurring decimal. But shortcut method is very by apply of shortcut method we can find out very quickly. Okay, in the next video we study about operation of recurring operation of irrational number, and also if rational numbers are given and you want to find out rational number is terminating or non-terminating recurring, then how will we find out it? In next video we study about it. Okay, thank you.